I am out on a walk, y'all. So, this video is going to be about when legal professionals change their language towards the person that's involved with your situation. For example, the sociopath or narcissist. When they're calling them by their name. Okay, so when you're dealing with legal professionals, whether it be the police, your attorney, judges, whomever, they're professionals, right? And they're there to help you. The ones that are advocating that you're paying or that's in the position to help you, even mentors. But well, mentors it could be, but I'm going to specifically talk about legal professionals, not the mentors at this point. So the lawyers, the judges, the police, when that sociopath does something to you, and it's kind of like the final straw for the legal professional. I mean, you've created, you've documented, you got a record and everything, right? And when the legal professional begins to refer to the perpetrator as that guy or that lady, that's a red flag for you, y'all. Okay? What that means is it's time for you to turn. Okay? They may even say something to you like, come on now, you don't have battered women or men syndrome, do you? I'm not sure if there's a battered men syndrome, but I'm gonna say that there is. You don't have a battered person syndrome, right? Whether it be the man or the woman. So when that legal professional refers to that person as that guy or just that lady, wake up. And that legal professional will say to you, look, that person don't care about what you saying. That person don't care about you, your well-being, your health, if you're seriously injured or not. And normally, this type of language will especially change when the abuser decides to get physical and hit you really hard or harm you. Basically, just show no regard for you. Okay? So, when the dispute becomes physical, and a lot of times it's just so sad, but you're going to be helping this person. I mean, a lot of the time, the contact that's being made with the abuser is actually you're trying to help them, whether it be plan something for their birthday, see if they still need a place to go so they're not in the street again or end up in the street for the first time. But this is somebody that don't appreciate nothing that you're doing. Okay, they don't care about what you're trying to do to help them. Actually, the more you keep doing that, the more stupid you are. So promise me this. And this is something that I'm learning and navigating through too, right? So this is a new rule of thumb or something that you don't want to underestimate. So it's kind of like this. If someone threatens to take your life or beat you up or whatever, right? Even if they haven't done it yet. Okay, let's hope that they never do it. They will assault you. So we got to all make a promise to ourselves. If someone has threatened to kill you, and especially if they repeatedly do it, the next stage is an assault. Don't go off to isolated areas with them and things like that. But when the legal professional begins to say, that guy, or stay away from that woman and stuff like that, wake up. Because that guy or that woman that they referring to, or that gal, they may say, stay away from that gal. They may go old school on you, right? You gotta stop calling them. See, because you in this, oh, that's my grandson, that's my son, that's my daughter, that's my granddaughter, that's my niece, that's my nephew, that's my neighbor's child I raised, that's my cousin, that's my adopted child, y'all. I mean, look at the cases where the adopted children have killed and murdered their adopted parents. Male and females have done that. I've seen some of those cases. And those are some interesting cases because a lot of times the adopted parent don't want to give up and say, you know what, maybe I took the wrong baby home from the agency. And let me get out of this and do a restraining order and get this baby back. This big old baby that I never should have took home. They don't want to do that because they don't want to refer to it as just that guy or just that gal, if that makes sense. So pay attention when legal professionals do this because it's definitely a red flag. And what you want to do is follow suit. You want to adopt that character because they're setting the stage for you to wake up. And because once a person is willing to hit you so hard that it can sound off a noise after they've already repeatedly threatened to kill you and others, they're dangerous. I mean, you gotta just leave it alone. Stay your distance. A lot of times if you're interacting with the person, staying a distance away from them when you're talking to them is fine, but you may find that that's not enough. And some people end up getting killed and seriously harmed and injured. I apologize for the noise, y'all. So I'm gonna end this video because there's a lot of students out and things. So anyway, I did a daytime walk. So anyway, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much. Pay attention to when legal professionals change up the language on y'all and stop referring to that predator by their name. Thank you. Of course, they're going to refer to the predator by their name in the court of law, but I'm talking about in your private conversations, okay? They're basically saying that person is an enemy of yours, and maybe you should start referring to them as just that guy or gal, okay? Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, y'all.